Did you know some Forex brokers let you trade with leverage as high as 1 to 3,000 and one even offers unlimited leverage? I'll show you the top 5 highest leverage Forex brokers and what makes each one stand out. Number 5 is Hot Forex, HFM. HFM offers leverage up to 1 to 2,000 on eligible accounts. It's a well-established broker with support with MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced traders alike. Number 4 is Just Markets. It offers leverage up to 1 to 3,000. Just Markets supports MT4 and MT5, has low minimum deposit and is popular among traders using expert advisors and automated trading strategies. Number 3 is A Markets. Like Just Markets, it offers leverage up to 1 to 3,000. One of its biggest advantages is API support, making it attractive for algorithmic trading, custom trading bots, and AI-powered strategies. Taking second place is FBS. FBS also offers leverage up to 1 to 3,000, along with low account requirements and an easy-to-use trading platform. And taking the number 1 spot is Exness. Exness is famous for its unlimited leverage feature on eligible accounts. After meeting certain trading conditions, traders can unlock leverage beyond traditional limits. The broker also offers MT4, MT5, fast execution, competitive spreads, and a wide range of Forex pairs, making it one of the most popular choices for active day traders. Keep in mind that the maximum leverage available depends on your country, account type, and local regulations. For example, retail traders in the European Union usually have much lower leverage limits. If you found this video helpful, leave the comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.